Well, I just woke up this morning. It rained pretty good through the night, and I hope you can see the flooded street. I mean, it's flooded. I mean, this is the courtyard of the hotel, and you can see the water is flooded into here. This worker is entering the front desk lobby area. This is my dinner table, or lunch table that I was eating at, and it just might be time for me to abandon ship. This is outrageous. This is funny. Yeah, but I still have my brownie and hot chocolate to finish, so I'm not abandoning ship yet. This is like the Titanic. Gonna have my last meal before I go down with the ship.
And then that plant's mission forgotten, our old man river, it just keeps rolling on.
Oh, there's more!
You and me, we swipe hamstring, body all aching and racked with pain. Hook that barge and lift that bell. You get a little drunk and you land in dreams. I get weary and sick of crying. I'm tired of living and scared of dying. Our old man river, it just keeps rolling on.
Bravo! Bravo! Okay, more rain and more flotsam. There's really something serene about this, though. It's other than the human voices, it would be quiet, and all you would hear is the rain. Well, Hoi An is really famous for their tailoring, I guess. Because the minute you get here, everyone wants to make a suit for you, and dresses for the women. Boy, now it's pouring down again. So there's a pin cushion of sorts, I think. Oh, let's see. I guess a broom, no one won it. Water. I hope my tetanus shot is in order, because God knows what might come swimming submerged through here. At some point, it's just too deep to stay out here. Not because you would drown or anything, it's just that what's really in this water at some point. Sanitation would be an issue. When they start throwing garbage out, then what else are they doing with these waters?